Three, three. Can you spell it? T-H-R-E-E. Three. Say it loud and say it clear. Three is a word we love to hear. I can use three in a sentence today. Three in a sentence, hip hip hooray. Three is a word that we love to say. Spell it with me, let's learn it today. Three, three, three. Three, three, three. Three, three, three. Let's spell it. T-H-R-E-E. Three.
Today's sight word is three. Can you say it? Three. Great! Now let's spell it together. T-H-R-E-E. Three. Amazing! Three is a word we use a lot. Let's say it one more time. Three. You're doing great. Keep practicing and you'll be a reading superstar.
Three.